Welcome back to a new video series on how to create 2D characters, or should I say 2D animation, with your smartphone. In my previous videos, I've showed you guys the possibility of using your smartphone only, either Android users or iPhone users, for the fact that if you could have access to Flipaclip, it is possible. Okay, and from the video you just watched, there was the major tip here is a video reference. For you to create any animation, you must have a reference. Mostly we could call it a storyboard. Okay, and that is what I've done first in order for me to create this. A video was picked from Rico Animation. Here you can go. If you love to mimic what he has done, you can go as well to his Facebook or YouTube channel to watch his lovely comedies, lovely skits. Okay, so for the possibility of creating that, I took the video and import it here. Here is just a sneak peek of how to go about it. Okay, but I can assure you, if you really want to learn more about it, then a link is available in the description box. There you can chat me up on that. But moving on, for today's video, like I said, everything you see was created using Flipaclip and another application which is best known to my Patreon members. So if you really want to know how such was created, you're all welcome. Click on the link below, chat me up, and once you join my professional class, then you have access to learn everything, and you also have access one-on-one mentorship with me. I hope to see you creating stunning animation video in this present year. I can't wait to see you. All right guys, thank you so much and have a lovely day. Bye.